Hi, this is Anjana from Najma Consultancy, and today we are going to talk about chemical handling. Use of chemicals is widespread in the workplaces, and many of these chemicals are hazardous to health and environment. Hazardous substances are found almost in all workplaces. It is estimated that around 2,300 workers die every year as a result of exposure to hazardous substances. Exposure to chemicals may result in wide range of health effects, and many parts of the body may be affected. There are 5 main routes of entry: inhalation, absorption, injection and ocular. Acute effect usually occur rapidly as a result of short-term exposure and are of short duration. Chronic effect generally occur as a result of long-term exposure and is for long duration. Right to know law mandates that employers should inform the employees about the toxic chemicals they are exposed to in the workplace. Provide training about safe handling practices and emergency procedures. We can teach you and train you on how to work safely. With our training, you will be able to work safely. Your company will be able to achieve moral, legal and financial obligations. In Najma, we look for quality rather than quantity. Choose safety, choose wisely, choose Najma, the right choice since 1997.
For further inquiries and consultation, please don't hesitate to reach out to Najma Consultancy. Your success is our priority.